Hello everyone. Hey, I just bought and installed this Mr. Heater 20,000 BTU Blue Flame Ventless heater. It's in my Grand Design Solitude fifth wheel. So hey, this is a first time startup. Let's see how it does. So per the instructions, they say to go ahead and press down the pilot button and let the air bleed out of the line for 30 seconds or so. So turn over here to pilot. You gotta push it down as you turn it and push that down. Alright, let's give it a shot. I'm gonna push the button, the starter button at the same time. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna leave that pressed down for a minute as it kind of warms up that igniter there. And I'm gonna turn it to the number 1, see what it does. Maybe the next one there. Oh, there we go. Wasn't quite far enough. Alright, pretty simple.